Kani kadega Batisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balawan rasha pi da ka orange nisan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Komisi benta jong jing Buddien ya jing Sdang jong Shillong Medical College. Myntri katanat ka koi ka khia uba hek. Ulayatu ba Shen un salum ya jing yalang bat kisnat trekam sarkar ke bapher bania penbet no mardor halor kane ka phang. Ha jing ya kendo bat ka Batisi TV uba hek ula ong ba ula khot jing yalang ya ki he katanat finance, planning, law bat ki way. Hapo jong uni hiu benai khnang ba on Sdang no ka jing te ya Shillong Medical College. Laban kedau hang ni baka Meghalaya Urban Development Authority lani ka muda kalab ha shushu ya ka jaka ka behe kumba san ekar AA nalor ka jaka baladep IT syakatnat Health Department ka behe kumba khanyo ekar AA ha New Shillong Township berlatikna menta badakum ni on la ban penbiang kat kum ki kendon balabu da ka Medical Council of India. Kata kalong badon kam lakum no arpo ekar ke jaka ban tei ya Medical College ban menta leng bakarai jong muda ban ai shushu ya ke jaka katanat ka koi ka khia kan don hadu kumba arpo ekar AA ke jaka ban tei ya ke Shillong Medical College ka ban long ru ha ka juk por kum ka hospital ka badon san spa tali gi jingtia bat na ki shi spa tali ki sit on bha kerpang saupo tali na menta ki samla pule jong jela Meghalaya. Ka Sarkar Meghalaya House nem arjar khat ar kaladep soisos kula lane ka Memorandum of Understanding bat ka company KPC Group na Kolkata na benta bantay ka Shillong Medical College.
I want to address all the do and don'ts. Whether it's happening or not happening, also I want to be clear and inform all the department concerned, like finance, planning, law, health department or any department involved for clearing the Shillong Medical College. It has to be accomplish the thing within this month only, had to finish within the January. So anything has to come across the table, whichever any do and don'ts. Katu kajaka kamlong is not bad the MCI norm, kam kadung khat nyo acre. Kedon kam kat kum ka MCI norm dan kam arpo acres. Dia mentang la ai naga po muda la pan kajaka la ai sesan acre extra dan baru san acre hiru ginano yaki. Dia kalalong arpo acres. Noted down in the file within a month ka ni ka kam ka di mandam no lara ka long la ni kam long ru di manong hoy ni em di tip man banga di long dem no and sa kita ki KPC lara KPC kita dengan track ke ka teman condition do kiru in put in the same day hapo ka meeting across the table empat hakitu ki bala ka PPP model ken Sdang no ka kam yung ki private come across for 300-400 crores by kata tadi tikana tambah ka syong by haki nong bala ai ka PP model hano bars non paro ka agreement sign MOU buat ki ban hano bar ka lan saki hadin negata ka lakut ka duty jong ka government dari petang macu monitor bala nu ke Sdang kum nu ke ne lanu ke la ban Sdang no yang medical college. Benda ke MHIS untuk kam show menu ru bandong benda yang lain benda registration. Anytime that I don't come benda registration kinu balik mentaru benda hospitalized kila la benda register apa ke hospital ke bamaki kila dia ban yathu bamaki ki padon ke MHIS card kila through the hospital ru la benda registration. We have only combined convergence here is only combined the populations. Population is the Ayushman Bharat. It is only the special category population. But MHIS is every resident of Meghalaya is entitled under the MHIS. So now the implementation under Meghalaya is completely under the MHIS. So whatever even kini population ki badai jong kane ka Ayushman Bharat ru it covered under the scheme of MHIS. Menta ka kam layash khamat. The main building to Diagnostic Center is almost 80-85% complete. The Mantaki don't additional building, don't the office administrative building under the construction. Nesit arpo crore.
And lano tarangi expect bakan dap nak kanika center.
Ingala ong bunsin bukan dap no long harta ka stem harta ka tarik mentang ong ifi nganu palle ong AA ru am nanu bukan dap Andang la itu bakal ajan dep masuk orang pi ba kan hakata singing it's inaugurate the inauguration of the State of Art Diagnostic Center.